Websites that used to take $10,000 in days to create now can be done in under an hour with Claude's new Opus 5 model. This video, I break down the whole build start to finish. So for this website, we're going to do our animation through Higgsfield's MCP. So we're going to follow the steps here, connect this, and just follow along. It'll ask you to authenticate. We're going to go to our connectors, connect. It's going to pop up. It's now going to give you a pop-up and ask you to authenticate. So just hit allow. Now you're connected. So we can go back to here. We see you're all connected. We can just leave these as they are and head back into our chat. Next, we're going to be using the scroll world skill. So I'll leave the link below. It's from Chase AI. If you haven't checked them out, go check them out. Super cool. You can just copy this URL and paste it back into our Claude. Here, we're going to make sure we're on Opus 5. Download this skill. There might be a few pop-ups. We're just going to hit allow. So it's asking us to restart Claude Code and then invoke the scroll world. So I'm going to do that and jump back. Setting off scroll world, make sure we're on Opus 5 again. If this is your first time using the skill, it'll probably ask you a few questions. Just allow those. And now it's kind of giving a breakdown on the costs. And now it's going to interview about what we want this world to be around. I want it to be a tiny home company called Petite Living. It's going to be a brick world, similar to Lego. We're going to send this off. It just gave me a proposal and it gave the colors it's going to use. It's good. And it has 6 scenes here, but I'm going to see if I can make it lean to not use as many credits, and then just needs to install FFmpeg. So we're going to hit next, asking for 3 scenes. I'm going to use the recommended here. And now this is just asking how you want it to appear on mobile. I'm just going to use the recommended. It says no extra credits. You can also regenerate videos built just for mobile, but I'll say no extra. It here is going to be generating your start image. You want to approve this if you like it, because everything else is going to be based off of that. So here's our starting image. I really like this. Move forward with it. I'm not going to watch these. I don't really want to spoil it. I just kind of want to have the raw experience when I open the website. So Claude just wrapped up and used a total of 327 credits. So if you're on the middle plan for Higgsfield, this can be a lot because you only have 1,200 monthly. But let's check it out. Open this live host in the browser and we'll go through our first impressions. Right off the bat, I like it. It's a cool image. I'm excited for when I scroll. Okay. Okay. I really like it. And that's the final scene. Zoom out and it undoes. I think this was really well done. Smooth transitions between them all. It's great. Again, you can use this however you want. You can use claymation, you can use origami. Chase AI in his video, he did it using origami, and that was super cool. So go check him out. I'll leave a link to the skill again below. Thank you, Chase AI, for this skill. I'm gonna leave it below, and go check him out if you haven't. And leave a comment what you guys decide to build with this. I know he built a website using origami. You can do claymation, anything. So go ahead and subscribe and let me know what you want to see next.